Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidus Kumar and I am a software developer from Ranchi. Today I am excited to introduce a software I have developed on PHP and MySQLi, an online quiz system built on PHP and MySQLi. This software is developed to make a quiz management system easy for all the educational organizations, institute and any type of skills related organization. Now let me show you how this system work in action. Now we are going to see the user panel, how it looks like. Just go to my computer screen. This is a user panel where user have to fill the name and their mobile number. I am filling the username just like KSHIT Sitesh Kumar and mobile number 90060420011. This is the credential you can fill many times. I am going to start quiz. This is the panel where user will confirm their name. Now I am going to start again the quiz. Just click on the start the quiz button. Look, there is a dashboard where all the questions are visible. Currently there is 11 questions in the dashboard. And look, here is the time remaining. It's indicating the timer. In this system currently 5-minute time is fixed for all type of user who want to appear in the test. It means that if you did not submit the form, it means that you did not submit the test series within 5 minutes, then it will auto submit the test within 5 minutes. Now I'm going to select answers just for a trial purpose. I am going to check this and this. Now I am going to submit the answers because there is still many time remaining. I am going to submit the answer. I have clicked on submit answer, then it's showing that you have attempted 3 questions out of 11. It means there was 11 question in which I have attempted 3 questions and I scored 2 questions correctly. It means my score is 2. It means that I have attempted 3 questions. There is a 2 correct answers. So it's showing again reattempting quiz. Now I am showing you how the admin functions and how the questions and answer will be inserted in this panel. Just currently I am going to log out button. Look, there is the admin panel which will redirect you to the admin login. The user ID is KSHITIZ and the password is RANCHI. It means the capital R and ANCHI Ranchi is the password. I am going to log in now. Look, currently I am showing you this panel in a local host. That's why this type of undefined array is showing. And this is the admin panel where where admin can add questions, answers and correct answers, and you can delete all the questions accordingly by clicking on the remove button. Currently I am going to add a new question. Just I am going to search a question example, just like I am using Google to create any type of MCQ questions. I am searching the MCQ questions to be filled in my software. Yeah. Look, this is the question. I am going to copy this and I am going to paste it in admin panel. That answer is option 1. So I have chosen 1 for correct answer. Now I am going to submit details. I submitted the details and look, the question is added successfully in the admin panel. So this was the software, how it functions and how to use this software for your current project. If you are facing any type of difficulties to install this software and embed this software in your current project, then WhatsApp me. I will guide you how to embed this software in your current project. Thank you for visit these videos and subscribe my channel.